Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our fourth video in C++ programming course. Today we will write our first program in C++ and know the process of compilation. So let's start. Open your any IDE or compiler. I have installed dev C++. Create a new file. And you can write code here. First to change the font size is very small. You can change from here. Now that's looking good. In our program, first of all, we write a header file, which is start from hash include, then less than and greater than sign, and write IO stream. This is our header file. It is important to write in this. Then we write using namespace std and semicolon. We write main function int main, wall brackets open and ending, now curly brackets in opening and closing bracket, and before the closing bracket we write here return 0. So this is our basic structure or basic code of C++ program. You have to remember this to code in C++. This is our header file, first one, and second one, this is using namespace std. This is our main function. We will know more about these, but now we compile this. This is the compile button. You can compile here. Before compiling, you have to save the file. Look at it. We have to give the semicolon in every statement of the program. Return 0 and semicolon. We forget semicolon and there was error. You can look here, error expected semicolon before ending curly bracket token. Now click on compile button again. So it has been compiled. Compilation time, errors 0, warning 0. Now click on the run button. Here you can see the file is executing. So this is our result. Before this is an extra text, and before this there is a result. But this is empty because we have not write anything in the program. This is our main code and basic structure which you write every time, but this is not code for printing or anything other. Now we write code to print something. To print something we write COUT double less than and double quotes, and in the last we give the semicolon. It is important, and between the double quotes we write anything. I write hello world. You can click here compile and run. This will compile the program and run at a time. So it's running. So it has been compiled. This is the result, hello world. We write here hello world and it has been printed. This is the old one, this is the new one, hello world. You can write anything between the quotes and it will be printed. I write I am dear programmer. Now close this one and again click on the compile and run. So this is the result. It has been compiled. Hi, I am dear programmer. So this is an printing statement in C++, and this is our basic code of C++ we write today. So that's all for today, but before ending the video we will learn what is the process of compilation, or when we write in code how it compile, what is the scene behind this. So this is the process of compilation. When we create a file, that file is called source file, and when compile the source file, it will convert it into object file. When it's converted into object file, then when we run the program, the linker links some libraries that you added in program and convert into executable or .exe file that show the results. And after that your whole program save in the main memory. So this is a simple process of compilation. You should know how a program compile. Source file compile or converted into object file, and object file linker connects libraries and convert it to .exe file, and it will save in the main memory. In C++, all these steps are performed ahead of time before you start running a program. Because C++ is a faster language, a whole process done in a very few or little time, and you don't have to wait for this. This is done ahead of time. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more videos.